Today, I'll show you how to unvoid a document in Docusign by recreating and resending it as a new envelope. While Docusign doesn't let you literally unvoid an envelope, you can quickly take a voided one, reuse its contents, and send it again so your recipients can complete it as if it were new. Let's start at the beginning. First, sign into your Docusign account and go to your list of envelopes. You'll want to locate the envelope that was voided. This might be in your void or all envelopes view, depending on how your account is organized. Look for the envelope by name, subject line, or recipient if you remember it. Once you've found it, click to open that voided envelope. When the envelope opens, you'll see that its status is marked as voided, and you won't be able to continue the original signing process. That's expected. What we're going to do instead is use this voided envelope as a template of sorts, so you don't have to start from scratch. Take a quick moment here to review the envelope details, confirm this is the correct document, and check that the recipients and any signing order look right. This helps prevent resending the wrong version. Next, look for the option that lets you reuse this voided envelope. Depending on your permissions and account setup, you'll typically see options like correct or create new from existing. If you see create new from existing, that will usually be your go-to choice. Click that. What this does is copy the content and setup of the voided envelope into a fresh editable draft. You'll see the same document or documents attached, and your recipients will usually be pulled over as well. This is where you can fix anything that led you to void the original, such as an incorrect email address, a missing signer, or a typo in the document. If your account shows a correct button instead, or in addition, keep in mind that you're still not actually changing the voided envelope itself. Instead, Docusign is allowing you to take that information and move it into a new send flow. Once you're in that editing view, carefully check each recipient, verify names, roles, and email addresses, correct anything that was wrong previously. Now move on to the document setup. Make sure all the required fields are still in place. Signatures, initials, dates, and any form fields you added earlier. If the reason you voided the envelope was a document error, this is your chance to upload an updated file or remove a page that's no longer needed. Walk through each page briefly to confirm that nothing is missing or misaligned. You can also update the email subject line and message that your recipients will see. This is a good spot to clarify that this is the correct, updated version they should sign, especially if they already saw the void notice from the earlier envelope. Once everything looks good, you're ready to resend as a new envelope. Click the button to send, just like you would with any new Docusign envelope. The system will treat this as a completely new transaction with its own envelope ID and tracking, even though it was based on the voided one. That's all there is to it. By opening the voided envelope using correct or create new from existing, and then sending it out again, you effectively unvoid the process and give your recipients a clean, updated document to sign.